In this video, we will show you how to configure a static MAC address to a dedicated switch port instead of learning it dynamically. First, we still have our switch port in the error disabled state. Let's use the command show port security interface followed by the type and ID. So we're still in violation. As you see here, the security violation count is 1 and the status is in a secure shutdown state, which means this interface is error disabled. But we did plug back in our trusted device with the correct MAC address. Because this is in a secure shutdown status, we can confirm that this is in an error disabled by typing in show interface fast Ethernet 1012. And doing that, we will see right up here that the interface is in a down state because it is error disabled. It's not connected, which is what it should be. So once again, in order to bring this operation or to become operational again, we need to do a shutdown on this port, then a no shutdown to make it connected and to become a secure up this time. Before we bring this interface back up, let's show you how you can configure a static MAC address on a secure port. So let's get into our config mode. Then under our interface for 1012, next we need to disable or to remove the sticky MAC address command. Next we need to add our static MAC address using the MAC address that we want to use. So as you can see that instead of including sticky, we will include the actual MAC address. That will be the secure MAC address that should be connected only to this port of 1012. Now let's go ahead and shut down this port. Then do a no shutdown to initialize it, to make it operational again. Okay, now we see our interface coming up. Let's confirm that by doing a show interface fast Ethernet 1012. And there we see the interface is in a up status and connected. So we're back up again. Now let's look at the port security configuration in regards to the static MAC address that we just added. So let's do show port security interface fast Ethernet 1012. We see that the port status reflects a secure up since we are in a up status and we are in policy without any violations. But we see other details here that have changed right here. So for sticky MAC addresses, it shows 0 because we removed that. But for configured MAC addresses, it shows 1 because we configured one MAC address into the actual configuration. And this is the actual MAC address, which reflects the last source address. And let's use another command. This will be show port security and address. And this will show the following. This will show us the MAC address and the connected secure port. So we've seen this before, but the type has changed. So instead of secure sticky, it shows secure configured, because this is a static MAC address that has been configured on this interface. So this is how you can configure a static MAC address as part of port security and what that would look like in terms of these show commands.